Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how to disassemble the trigger housing group. It's really not that hard, and the only tool you need is an inert round, or just a point, or a pin, or a punch, pardon me. It's just to remove the pins. Everything else is done by hand. First thing you want to do is just decock the hammer. So, holding the hammer with your thumb as to not let it snap forward. Trigger, safety off. And next thing up is we're going to remove the trigger pin. Comes out towards the camera, so smaller pin is the part you punch. Get a good grip on the group and hold it in and punch that pin out just enough like that. You can see it protruding, and you should be able to hold it. Again, hold on to it nice and tight because it's under a lot of tension. Just put the pin aside. Slowly let the trigger come out. You have your trigger spring guide, trigger spring, hammer spring, pardon me, hammer spring guide, and the hammer spring plunger. With that out, just all you have to do is remove the hammer pin. So again, it comes out from the rear forward. So use a little punch, push the pin, grab the hole, pull out, and you can pull the hammer out. It should come out. Now we want to remove the safety. This trigger guard won't come out without the safety removed. So you can see the safety spring right there, and just pry it out. Like that. Just put that aside. And then the safety comes up towards the top. And this part here comes out. So twist it up and out. And that is it. There's your trigger housing. It's completely bare. You can clean all these parts. Get all the cosmoline off. Usually what I do is soak them in CLP just over a piece of towel or something. As you're working with it, CLP will be everywhere, but when you're finished, just do a little wipe down and it'll last forever. And I'll show you in the next video how to use it. Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how to reassemble the trigger housing group, the M14s. Just to go over the parts, make sure you got them all. You have your hammer spring housing, hammer spring plunger, the hammer, trigger housing of course, hammer pin, safety spring, trigger guard of course, safety, and the trigger assembly along with the trigger pin. So take your trigger housing group and just insert your trigger guard. It goes at an angle like I showed you in the last video. Leave it at that angle like that. Next thing that goes in is the safety spring, and I'm going to try and do my best to show you how that fits in. Damn, that's hard. Alright, see this little notch right there? That's where the spring is going to sit. It's going to wrap right around that pin. So with this end up like that, insert it. And there's no tension, so it'll just fall right in. It sits in like that. Now here's the trick. It saves you a lot of friggin' pain to do it my way. Insert the safety. There's a pin on it, which will fit right in this hole. And all you gotta do is just put some tension on it and get the pin in the hole. Does that sound easy enough? Just like that. That's it. It's perfect. Safety off. I'm going to put the hammer back in. And make sure the trigger guard is closed slightly. As best you can. Why is this not going? Okay, once you have the hole lined up, there, you see it there. Just reinsert the hammer pin, it just goes in top heavy first. On the back side, just make sure the trigger housing is lined up so it goes in, it's flush. The hammer decocks, you're going to insert the parts as follows. Just, you can see, there's a little notch right there. That's where the plunger resides. That's where the tension is to push the hammer forward. So assemble pieces like this, plunger into the hammer spring, and the hammer spring into the spring guide, I believe it's called. The spring housing, sorry. The housing has a recess in the back. You're just going to flip that over. It goes solid part first. And just like this. Just kind of place it into that groove I talked about. And grab your trigger, assembly, and push it in like this. Now this is the fun part, you gotta compress it so that you line up the holes. And it's not too bad. All you gotta do is just once you have it in this position, just push it in. So like this. And insert the pin as much as you can, just to hold it. And with enough tension, you just pop the pin right back in place. That's it. So just a function check. Cock the hammer. Pull the trigger. Hammer should fall. Cock the hammer again. Hold the hammer. And pull the trigger. And you should see the disconnector working. It should not fall. Safety, just push it in. Should be carrying this out. And nothing should move. Just like that. Safety is actually really good. It holds the hammer in place and the trigger in place. So I really doubt that would ever fail. That's it. Thanks for watching.